The Blair Witch. It's here. It's got me. Oh my god! Did you hear that? Did you hear it? Did you hear that? Did you hear it?
Hello.
Hey, Big Daddy Capone, this is Gloria.
What's up, girl?
My husband's out of town. Why don't you come over here and break me off something?
Nah, I'm gonna hit that shit.
That's what I've been calling you for, Daddy.
Well, don't even trip. I hit you up when I'm in town.
I'll be waiting.
Gone.
I wanna be that girl you call anytime that you wanna get nasty.